Hi there, it's Chris from MuscleSquad, and today I'm in the studio to talk to you about our phase 4 cable system lat tower. Now, what we have here is it's a unit that can sit nicely in a corner or can go up against the wall. It's quite customizable in terms of how you want to get this system set up. So the version that I have here today is the pin loaded version. So what that means, we've got 100 kilos of weight plates here, and we can just easily select the weight that we want on the machine by moving the pin. There is a plate loaded version, which is a little bit cheaper. That one won't come with the shroud, will come with a trolley system, and you load your weight plates onto that system and it move it up and down as you pull the handles. Now, the beauty of this system, or these systems, are that they are effectively 2-to-1 and 1-to-1 at the same time. So we have currently got this weight selected at 20 kilos. If I was to say, for example, have these two carabiners connected on the front of the rack, so if I do this just by demonstrating here, and I pull both handles at the same time, I am effectively pulling 20 kilos of weight with one hand here, which is great when you want to be able to do a back exercise like a lat pull down or a seated low row. But then if I pulled just one handle at the same time, now this is effectively making the system back to 2-to-1. This is now 10 kilos on the handle. So if I wanted to be able to do like a chest fly or a rear delt fly, we've got better granularity and modularity on the weight range that we'll be lifting. So we've got the trolley that comes all the way up and down. So there's a pop pin on the back here. So we can put it into a low row position, or we can put it into a lat pull down position. I think the first thing to note is that there's also an additional optional accessory on here, which is the lat pull down connector. Effectively, what this is to do is to give us a better position on the lat pull down, but I'll give you a demonstration on that in a second. Now, because it's part of our phase 4 family, it does mean that it's compatible with some of our phase 4 accessories. So if I just grab this lat pull down seat. So here what I've done is I've attached the lat pull down bar onto the system by connecting both of the carabiners together. And if I just put a little bit extra weight on this. Now, when we then do a lat pull down, the position is ever so slightly compromised in a way that the cable is coming down at me at a slight angle. So this is why we created the extension piece over here, to give a much better position for that lat pull down. So if I give a demonstration on how to quickly set that up. We want to move the position roughly into the middle for the time being. There is an additional cable here. That we attach the carabiner to the round part. We then attach the plate to the two carabiners. And then we finally, the last piece we do is just tension the system. So we've had some slack there to make it nice and easy to do it. And now we're going to want to make sure that those cables are a little tighter. We can then attach our lat pull down bar now to the high position. You may need to attach a chain into here. But now we've got a lat pull down with full range of motion and the pulley position pointed above your head. So this machine is ideal for all of your accessory work when it comes to lifting. Like I mentioned, be able to use the same pulley position down here. You can attach the MuscleSquad phase 4 low row plate. So I'll take this one off. Disconnect the lat extension. And then we've got a position for a low row. So with these two connected here, we are then able to do a plethora of exercises on a 2-to-1, so on a 2-to-1 and on a 1-to-1. So now this is pinned at 30, both of those cables are connected together. So when I come in to do my bicep curl with both the cables connected, this is now effectively 30 kilos of weight. With just one cable connected, this is now effectively 15 kilos of weight. This piece of equipment also comes with 6 storage hangers on the rear frame. They are suitable to store all of your accessories on, whether that be tricep ropes or D handles or lat pull down bars. It also comes with all the spacing that you need in order to tie the system or bolt the system through onto the floor. That being said, on the pin-loaded version, it is a very heavy system and it's very stable and is not easily going to move from its position, and it can also be wall mounted onto the wall. All in all, if you've got a squat rack in your existing gym and you don't have a cable system set up on that rack, this is a great addition to any home gym where you may want to be able to do all of that accessory work. Like I mentioned, tricep push down, bicep curl, chest fly, rear delt fly, lat pull down, low row, any accessory that you want to attach to your legs to be able to do abductors, your glutes, your hamstrings. There is a full range of exercises that you can do with a piece of equipment like this that will supplement all of the rest of your workouts that you're doing. If you've got any additional questions or want to see anything in a bit more detail, please let me know and the team will gladly help you. You can reach out to us on all of our social channels or drop us an email at info@musclesquad.com. I hope you learned a little something about the equipment today, and thanks for watching.